Model, 2016 Land Rover Discovery SDV6, 255 HP, commercial shea VAT included. Body, white 4x4. Mileage, 107,361. MOT, 3 November 2024. Engine, 2993 cc SDV6 EU5A. Transmission, 4-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner engine has seized. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, electric windows, reversing camera, 2 keys, cruise control, air-con, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £12,595 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.